Kia ora te whānau, Joe Royal coming from Orake, our beautiful city. Come with me today, we're going to go do some car on the fly deliveries for our kaumatua, so come check out what we're up to. Alright whānau, I'm at the Maimoa offices. I've picked up my list. Alright whānau, we're off to our first drop off, our first delivery. We're going to see what are the deliveries for the whānau look like. That's us. Alright whānau, here we go. Alright, on to my last drop off. This is to Nanny Margaret. So just gonna grab her kai. Here we go. And another happy customer. So the response has been pretty awesome. Kind of real appreciative of the kai on the fly, our kaumatua, and yeah, it's pretty special that we get to do this for our iwi and whānau. Right, kia ora whānau, that's us done for Kai on the Fly for Friday. Stay safe, enjoy the weekend, and ka kite.